18 million tons of plastic winds up in the ocean, endangering wildlife and polluting ecosystems. This number is expected to grow 1.1 billion tons of plastic. By 2050, China and Malaysia have high levels of cross-border marine plastic pollution. Mission calls for global action, reduce plastic production by 60% by 2040. It is also a key step for both countries to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals linked to SDG 12, 14, 15. Both countries face key sustainability issues. The first is management problem. China has gradually restricted the use of plastic bags. Malaysia is also advancing relevant bans. Both countries face the problem of insufficient waste management capacity in government and enterprises. The second is the threat of microplastic. Microplastics are everywhere, into our water, food, the air we breathe, and eyes, our bodies. The third is poor public awareness. In rural China, plastic use is ubiquitous. The Malaysian public is concerned, but action needs to be stepped up. We propose the following recommendations. How do we do it? The government must take action by implementing green public procurement. We reduce plastic waste, protect the environment, and set the standard for sustainable development, leading by example for a cleaner, greener future. Mandatory extended producer responsibility aim to increase the material circularity. It is an industry-funded approach, where producers, importers, and distributors responsible for the life cycle of their products. How to solve microplastic pollution? Government should formulate a green agricultural policy. Develop degradable materials to replace traditional plastics. Secondly, subsidize farmers who adopt clean technologies and promote organic farming practices. Thirdly, both countries can establish a joint research center to develop low-cost and efficient microplastic detection and removal technologies. Suggestions for public awareness from 3 stakeholders. For NGOs and community, use multiple media channels to spread sustainable knowledge and organize publicity campaigns. We can also organize practical activities and reward outstanding volunteers. For governments, make multi-language versions of strategic communication playbooks. Secondly, establish green consumption guidelines for consumers. For universities, incorporate institutional environment into national curriculum. University can expand capacity building and foster knowledge sharing in practice. In response to the above recommendations, we have made an timeline of the implementation of Malaysia-China Action Plan.